The next two I'm going to cover are very, very similar to the T-lap joint, and that is the cross half lap joint and the obtuse half lap joint. And here's how you make those. Next one is the oblique lap joint. Set your bandsaw table. Use a sliding bevel to get your marks. Place it there on the inside of the line, and then draw along there, turn it over, careful not to move your timber, draw a line there and a line there. So now there's two lines, and they should meet like that once we've cut them. Take all those out. And then do exactly the same to this piece. Clean that out with a chisel. And there you'll have a nice oblique joint, half lap. The cross half lap, which is not a bad framing joint, grab a piece of timber and a square, mark the square, put your timber up against it, mark the other side, turn it over, careful that they don't move, and mark that side and that side. Marking gauge, mark half the depth of the timber, and then bring these lines across. And again, if you find it hard to see that marking line, pop a pencil lead in there and define it so you can see it. Cutting again on the inside of the line. Clear the waste out and do exactly the same to the other piece. Clean it out with a chisel, and there's a cross lap joint. So in front of me now I've got 4 lap joints: the corner lap joint, the T-lap joint, the obtuse lap joint and the cross lap joint. All very basic and very easy once you mastered the basics of a bandsaw. The next one, and the final one in the halved joint section, or the lap joint section, is the dovetailed lap joint. Now, it is very similar to the T-joint, with the exception you've got a dovetail in here instead of a straight bit of timber.